Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a poster using Canva templates. So in Canva, it will make you pretty easy to create a poster. You just need to go to the Canva apps on your phone or on your computer like this, and then to be able to use the templates you can just search for the keyword first, for example poster, and then after that I'm going to just click on enter. So in here there are actually a few options, but I'm going to just explore in the poster template. So here you can just find the one that fits your need the best. For example, I want to create a poster about job application, so I'm going to use this one. For example, just click on the templates and click on customize this template. Okay, so this is a hiring poster, so you can just pretty use a pretty like explore. There are so many poster, not only about hiring. There are travel agency, like a poster of quotes like this, or like an event or others poster. And after that, if you want to add it, you can just do this in here. You can change the color. For example, I want to change the positions in here, and I can also change the font of each text in here. And if you're done, just click on share or download this poster, or you can also print this poster directly from Canva. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the text below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.